Yeah.
Do you need?
What's good,
Are
chat?
you zimming?
No. There's
'Cause every Rainbow
there's a
Six
claymore
Siege
on this
Anyone?
TikTok
wall.
Quiet,
streamer
bro.
is
Quiet,
Zims.
quiet.
Starting with Alpha Packs. Shut up. So we got one Alpha. Oh. Never mind. There's
Bro,
arrow.
they're pushing, bro. Warden, you watch me die, bro.
Oh yeah, I got a purple on the first one. That's crazy.
Which
And
one?
it's gridlock and it's
Watch me
horrible.
die.
It's full moon road. This is the worst thing I have ever seen. This is dog shit. What the fuck?
Is there a skin? What skin is it?
It's like a face.
Warden, bro, get them.
Oh, it's a
Why
face.
is
That shit's good.
This was just inside, bro.
Oh, there's special ed, bro.
Got some.
Oh, you started my day. Oh, shit.
Nah,
my
special
God, so-
fucking
Dude.
ed. There's no reason they got in this site like that.
Ooh, purple. Black ice. Bro,
Shoot
what
the
is
wall,
this?
twin.
I have black ice for this gun. Why would I?
She ran away. She's on the left.
Push. The drone.
Where is it?
Well, it's
Y'all
right
look
there.
like a dude right now.
That's not bad.
Move out the way, Warden. Move. Don't shoot.
Get
If
it.
you can get an angle
Oh, he's just
where.
moving, bro. They're just playing so weird. He's not gonna peek.
Fuck him in the ass.
Just disable it. Yeah, these guys are weird.
Why not just use the fucking locker for
Bro,
cover?
we lost anyways, bro.
You could use the locker and then just.
She's dying.
Alright, we can clutch this.
Like they're just playing like fucking weirdos.
Get anti, bro.
And it's a duplicate. Fire.
What's a fucking roam?
Oh, black ice was it?
Ooh, I like this.
What do you guys sweaty?
Chemical board for Pulse and Casso's It's a legendary. It's actually kind of fire.
What packs are you opening?
My regular alpha.
How many?
I had
He has 60.
something. I had 91. I had 91 in total, including alpha and all and then the Halloween and all that.
He's like a pack saver because I don't have the time for that shit.
I'm
Just a
saving
weirdo.
for streams and
Yeah, you don't get any viewers though.
stuff. This is where it starts though.
Progress.
I know.
Progress.
Yeah, I know. Oh gosh, bro, I got like what 3 footballs, bro, and I just got. And
Yo, I have
it's
terrible
and
aim.
it's
I'm
a
gonna kill him.
duplicate. I love my life.
AUT ISM.
ISM. I have no friends.
They're not gonna get through the wall.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not. Trust me.
If I swear to God, they destroy that fucking wall, I'm destroying your fucking asshole.
I'll literally uninstall my account.
I will genuinely
I mean,
take your
delete
fucking
my account.
virginity, bro.
Bro, that shit was
Yo,
taking
Clash
a
of
long time
God.
ago.
Dang.
Try and get the wall, Osa. Try and get the wall. Yeah, you can. You can, Osa. You can.
Kate, I'm so proud of you, son.
I don't feel like it's super old. No, I'm not getting. I haven't gotten one black eyes and I wrote the like 50 back.
I hate these fucking children.
It's downstairs.
Main stairs or what?
I mean, yeah.
I will literally suck your toes if you do.
Where?
Blue stairs. Yeah, there. Alibi there. Look there, bro.
Bro, you took my fucking kill. Crack.
Ah,
Nice.
that was such a good nade. I
Little
mean,
fucking
Nade is
or-
what do you mean nade?
That was so bad.
Take one kill again, I'm gonna lose my shit.
Like I peek it for a
Where'd you just die
millisecond.
to?
Stairs, bro. He's like not even on stairs. Like I peeked it for a second, bro. Sweaty, stop
On
saying
me,
you
on me,
can't
on me,
hear the
me,
game.
me, 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 me.
I don't care, fucker. Kill yourself.
Self-harm, I do not like that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yep.
No! Oh my god, I'm so brain dead.
He's over
That's
there.
not even funny.
How the fuck did he get over there?
This man is in. This is the.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Site.
Oh, he's somewhere over there.
Insight.
I didn't get any black ices.
We're on Vitron.
Absolutely zero black ices.
Stop peeking.
There's an echo drone here. Oh, I can't see anything with it.
Bro, I'm
Oh,
not
good
fucking
job.
kill
There we
you,
go.
crack whore. I'm trying to go positive. You take my kill.
It's literally taunting me. I just got two. I got zero black ices
Like
out of
Helix.
50 packs.
You opened 50 packs. Now are you opening the zombie ones or something?
I'm gonna. Should I do my Bravo or Curse packs first?
Cursed.
Birch. Bravo's probably gonna get a black ice.
I got that. I got Nook's like portrait.
Same.
Should I
Yeah.
equip it?
Yeah, looks cool.
I got the Doka D hash.
I got Ella's skin suit.
Bro, I feel like the Iona one's actually the best. No kids.
Oh, I got
Doktors.
Nomad's head.
Yeah, I need some of that.
Yo, that might actually be fire with my elite skin. Actually looks kind of fire.
Why are all y'all three?
Yo,
Who's
this is my
this?
friend. This is my friend. Don't pick. Don't pick.
His name looks gay.
Who names himself Greek Turkey?
Yeah,
Weird.
that shit sounds gay as shit. Fuck.
Fucking
Fuck is
that's
Greek
best.
turkey?
Bro, it's
The turkey is
two
green.
for no, hold up.
I ain't never heard of that, Swan.
Oh, yo, I got Doc's
Everyone shut up.
headgear. I got Doc's headgear. Let's go. I got Lion portrait. I have.
Yeah, just warm up for now.
Yeah, that's not doing.
Oh, yo, I got Yana's parasitic existence, like the headgear,
What is that?
Fucking,
the
bro.
hentai looking one.
I want the headgear, but I want the headgear.
I just got removed.
I have the body.
Seasoning.
I just got fucking autistic slammed.
Oh my
I'm
snap!
done.
Yo,
I
I
got
got
red
seasonal
ping,
weapon
that's why.
skin.
Relax,
Cool.
relax.
We still got one room there. Let's go, Healy.
Yeah, using the commando's wild.
He's in, he's in.
Bro, in bathroom.
I see him.
Shit.
Diffuser.
How was that not? Okay, I thought I was gonna say, how was it not mine?
Kitchen window.
Good stuff. I'm not even
We have
gonna play
diffuser,
that,
bro. Don't
no
peek.
point.
We have diffuser.
Yeah.
We have diffuser.
Alright, time for Brava packs. This is it.
Kitchen window.
20 Brava
Kitchen window.
packs. First one I start out with is a green.
Huh.
Yourself loves me.
Where's Buck?
Doctor Curse packs
Y'all
are
know
so
where
bad.
he is the bomb before.
I heard him destroy a window.
I'm not expecting any black ice. Okay,
Yeah,
so
if you
why
lose
did I
this, you're
say that?
wild.
I get zero's black ice.
Yeah.
Shit. Come on.
Overtime.
I think Giger's black ice is kind of fire.
Overtime,
Or
baby.
I'm at zero.
You have years, Beth Ice.
Yeah, I just got it.
Oh, I think that's the.
I got one black ice, but I don't want to get any others.
Hard charge.
I got it. But you know, I'm using fake because I need to heal people. I'm not doing well.
Stop giving me green. Stop giving me.
Care about these things. That's really the only thing in the game.
Black ice.
AUT.
Pretty sure.
Guys, I got like AT raid camo for these. It's kind of shit.
It is soulless. One grenade from below.
The rest of them are gonna be greens. I'm about to get 0 other black
Thatcher,
guys.
can you play Osa? And I'll play Thatcher.
Okay, so I just
Elite.
got
Oh,
Jackal's
watch
black
out,
eyes.
spawn. What?
Which one? C70?
I got
Whatever.
the
We'll switch.
PD. I think I used the
PDW.
I use a C70. I like it better.
I'm
I
laughing
think I
with
got
the
2 black ices and that's it out of 91 packs. They're pretty fire though. I think
my controller feels so off.
My controller could low-key die at any point.
Yeah, that's
Yo, Twitch,
thought-
Twitch,
those
get these
packs.
I
walls.
just keep mine plugged in.
Nice little pack
My
opening.
batteries
91
are low as
packs.
fuck.
Fire. Thank you for all the packs.